Welcome to my review of the Sirenis Tropical Varadero. First off, the beaches are the top attraction here. Warm water, soft sand, and no sargassum weeds that plague Mexico's Caribbean destinations. Beautiful warm turquoise waters, stunning palm trees, and shady beach palapas await you. The beach really stretches out, with a serene west end with Hobie cats and water sports, and a more lively east beach, which is shown here. The east beach has plentiful beach chairs, shady palapas, a beach volleyball court, a buffet restaurant, a beach bar, and a snack bar, midday barbecue shack. Lively Cuban music and dance performances happen regularly all around the resort. The resort has many shaded walkways to explore the different amenities of this beautiful paradise. There is a wide variety of trees and plants in this well-maintained nature area. The main hotel area boasts a large and modern buffet restaurant, a couple different bars, and a large central atrium area. The open-air concept of this five-story hotel is quite beautiful, with lush trees and plants dividing the ocean view and garden view rooms. Our hotel room was a standard garden view one, fairly large with good air conditioning and comfortable beds. It is Cuba. The furnishings did show some wear, and linens were only changed weekly, but we were quite happy with it overall. The central atrium was the heart of the resort with nightly musical entertainment. A very unique design with a massive chandelier and glass-walled elevators facing the atrium. Nightly entertainment in the covered theater was fairly good, and there was a variety of performances during the week. There is a large rectangular pool in the main area, and a lot of room for both sun or shade. By far, for us at least, the main attraction here was the amazing beach. The water was so clean and the sand so soft. We can't wait to go back. Our overall impressions of the resort were good. Food was better than expected by Cuban standards, but fairly plain. I would suggest to bring some spices from home to flavor it up a bit. Drinks were primarily rum-based and not as fancy and fruity as you would find in different Caribbean locations. But the pricing here is almost half. If you are looking for pampering and a wide selection of cuisine and drinks, Cuba is probably not for you. If you are looking for fun in the sun, a superior beach, give it a try.